Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to format dates. Suppose in date section I'm writing 10/3/2020. This is the so is the current format which is selected. So this is come like this, and then say this is the, if I select this, it will be year and then month and then date. Now if I select this with time, sorry, uh, date, so it will show like this. If you want more general formats, you can go here, date, and you can select any of the formats and then click OK. It will automatically change. If I want to change the format to some other location, because currently it's English United States and I want to change in Hindi, so I'll go here, you see, and you got these many formats. You can select this and OK. You see, this is changed. So this is very handy tool to change the date format. I'm getting back to here. We have different formats here: DD, MM-YY, MM-DD-YY, MD, YY, YY, these many, and with time also. So this is the date which you can select. It's a very handy tool. Thank you so much.